Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will discuss about the latest Accenture on campus test pattern and syllabus. So I will discuss here all the questions that are being asked in the Accenture. So first round is a written test. In the written test there are total 90 minutes and the total number of questions is 90. So first 17 question will be from verbal ability, then critical reasoning have 18 question, then 15 question from abstract reasoning. Common applications have 12 question, 18 question from pseudo code, 10 question from network security. So total number of question is 90 and total time is 90 minutes. The next round is a coding round. After clearing the first round, that is a written test, and you will be eligible for the coding round. And coding round having two questions, each questions the total time for both the question is 45 minutes, means one question have 30 minutes and second question have 15 minutes. Okay, so there are total question two questions and total time duration is 45 minutes. So you can complete both the questions within 45 minutes. The language you can choose is C, C++, Java, Python and .NET. So any language you can choose by your choice. The after clearing the coding round, then you have communication test, and the communication test have 63 questions and time duration for communication test is 20 minutes. Speaking skill have 2 questions, story retelling skill 3 question, listening skill have 16 question, reading skill have 8 question, Q&A have 24 question, and sentence jumble is 10 questions. So you will go to recording, you have to listen that recording, and according to the question which are asked, you have to give answer. Okay, in some questions you have to read and then you have to write the questions. So in that way you have to complete the communication assessment. So communication assessments is also important parts. All the round, written test, coding round and communication round test are elimination round, means if you got rejected in one round, then you will not be eligible for the next round. So every round is elimination round for your selection process. The syllabus for and topic are verbal ability and critical reasoning. So sentence correction, preposition in verbal ability, grammar, reading comprehension, synonymous, antonyms, items and phrases, speech and tenses, article, sentence selection, supporting error and sentence arrangement. And in the critical reasoning, arrangement, build relation, statement and conclusion, coding, decoding, agree, disagree, piezometric, analogy, inferred meaning, logical sequence. So these are the topic for the verbal ability and critical reasoning. After that, syllabus and topic from abstract reasoning. Abstract reasoning have visual reasoning, flow chart, visual reasoning, DI, directional sense, seating arrangement. And common applications have command in, command prompt, browser basic, working fundamental, MS Office have Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook, shortcut key, workflow of key. The next syllabus is of pseudocode and network security. Pseudocode having C, C++, Java, Python, DSA, and network security have Firework, network security device, basic of networking, encryption standard and algorithm, attack type, cloud data provider, cloud data center, basic fundamental of cloud computing, cloud service platform and client server architecture. The next important note is there is no negative markings. Okay, in Accenture, intersectional navigation is allowed. Intersectional navigation is allowed. Accenture test is non-adaptive, and Accenture uses CoCubes as the platform for assessments. Means Accenture conduct assessment on CoCubes platform, and there is intersection navigation is allowed. There is no negative mark in Accenture. So all the round in Accenture are elimination rounds. Once you clear the first round, that is written test, you will be eligible for the second round, that is coding test. And coding, after clearing the coding round, you will be eligible for communication test. And after clearing the communication and test, you will be eligible for the final interview, that is technical interview, managerial interview and HR interview. So this is the selection for process for Accenture. So thank you guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope this video is very useful for your upcoming interview of Accenture and test. So thank you guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel.